Start. Para. I agree with the previous speaker that, having regard to the fact that we managed to be fairly busy during the year, the final figures are disappointing. Full stop. I was under the impression that we should be in a very strong financial position at the end of the year. Full stop. I expected a dividend of at least 8 or 9%. Full stop. However, from the point of view of the shareholders, I do not think 7% full stop can be called bad. Full stop. How long is it since we had less than 7%? Question mark. 6 or 7 years, I am sure. Full stop. Generally speaking, other firms of a similar nature have, for a long time, had gradually diminishing business to record. Full stop. I am given to understand that the pitch is felt to the greatest extent in this part of the kingdom, and it is only here and there that the rate of dividend is not going down. Full stop. I could give an illustration, for example, for a company which from start to finish never paid more than from 4 to 5%, and this company, for the purpose of securing control of the market, was to a great extent managed by men possessed of a great deal of experience in this particular trade. Full stop. A share in it should have been almost a gilt-edged security, but it has just been wound up. Full stop. Here is a case where, from beginning to end, a concern similar to ours was on the downgrade. Full stop. How is it that here, there, and everywhere one reads of in trade, from your experience, have you any reason to think that when one company is going well, another is doing badly? Commercial men give us to understand that, particularly in our line of business, when one company is doing well, all are doing well. Full stop. Have you any idea why this rule is not holding good now? Question mark. Have you any suggestions to make? Question mark. We shall be glad if you will give us your opinion. Full stop.